Now, I feel to say they both are well settled, and one is married and settled in Canada, and second is doing well and running the gym. Professionally, I am founder of All Girls Fitness, a chain of three into gyms. In part of my life, there is lot of abundance. जिंदगी में बहुत इम्तिहान लिए, पर मैं उससे कभी घबराई नहीं. Every challenge gave me, thank you. Every challenge made me strong. बस मेरी ज़िंदगी की बहुत लंबी है कहानी, पर आज वक्त है कम. कभी फुर्सत में मिलेंगे, गुफ्तगू करेंगे, कहाँ से गुजरे हैं हम. Thank you so much.
Very nice, very nice.
Amazing,
Thank you so